So here we are going to find out the max sum subarray from this list. So let's create the function max sum subarray, and let's pass this list or this array in this function. And now we're gonna take a for loop to calculate local max and global max. So it will start from 0 and will go till the length minus 1 and I plus plus, and here inside this function we're going to calculate the local max and global max by Kadane's formula. So here let's take local max and initialize it with the first element, and similarly take the global max and initialize it with the first element. So according to Kadane's algorithm, the new local max can either be the previous local max plus the current element, or it can simply be just the current element. So either local max plus list I or list I. And we have to pick the maximum among these two. So math.max. So this value returned by max will be the new local max. So this is how we're gonna get local max at each step. And now comes the global max. Global max is maximum of all the local maxes. So here global max will either be this previous global max, or it will be the local max that we just calculated right above it. Whichever is the maximum will be the new global max. And finally, we will return this global max because it is the sum of the maximum subarray. So here this is the list. Now let's take max sum and let's invoke this function max sum subarray, and let's pass in the list. And now let's print the result. Max sum. So save this and let's go ahead and let's run this. So node Kadane's algo. So we get 10, which is the sum of subarray in having elements 3, -2, 4, 3, -3, and 5.